guys, this is Satoshebo Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Touchable Mama page. You can also see me on Touchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Na wa. Abebe una come with gist. I dey hear say they say somebody buy house. Who buy house? Who bought a house? Hello? Who buy house? Me una call tell us who buy house. Now they buy house. They never reach here. I don't know now full year now. Hey, who buy house? I want to see comments. And now that they buy house, oh, you both they use old age till they sell house for old person. If I don't see talk, I don't say, lovely, oh, you don't start again. They say she buy house. For where? Who buy house? They will rent house. They'll say they buy house. Now me buy house. This my house. When I did, so now me buy am. Okay, now Lolo buy house. Oh, you want to use old age that they sell house? Make una dey talk better talk for Manti. You both should be saying better to you. How much you can put down? How much the man put down? Oh yeah, first to comment, I beg come and tell me. Nigeria. As una don't take for Europe rich. Una no know say they no dey use old age take buy house for abroad. It not dey possible. Even Oyibo when they buy house, when they young, e get where they go pay rich. They will say they no dey fit pay again. They will come sell the house back. Now Oyibo go come sell house for man when he don't already old. How I won't take pay. Boy, I don't say lovely don't start again. You people should say that start again. And I saw now. Why not they put the house for Saga? Why not go rent? The house wanna go rent. Why not they put them for Saga? Come on, renty house. Now, una so see they say congratulations. They go rent house. They say congratulations. The day when I do this my house, una not tell me say congratulations. Fake life everywhere, my darling. Fake life. They're just faking it. This my house, my Oyibo buy this house for me. At the iron that day, I bring the document, come out. Now, few people tell me, congratulations. Because why? They no say na truth. This house when I did, so now Oyibo buy them for me. Oyibo, I buy this house. Oyibo buy this house. You don't buy am cash. Oyibo give me half of the money. Then the remaining one, I dey pay every month. You know, see, and my name, and Oyibo name, now I did this house. Because, he marry me. Now see my ring. You know, say me, I know they talk my own. Now see my ring, now wedding ring, he marry me. I can't bring the house come out. Even inside, early this year, all the old door wait in my house. I change all the old door. Una not tell me say congratulations. And so now, before, wait in my house. I change all. I change my old door. I come dey show am when I dey iron. Una go see better thing. Una no go congratulate. Una dey congratulate fake life. Who be this one? You say make I show my own. See my own house. See my own house. Now only the day na winch discover say I buy this house. Only the day na winch. She talk am. She say lovely buy house. Only the day na winch. She talk am for live video. Una not take am for your hand. Now only the day na winch. Know this ring. This my married ring. When I take marry Oyibo, but I not bring am come Facebook. I can't buy my house. As I dey iron, I can't bring am come out. I can't show people. I show everything. Everything I show am. Una not tell me say congratulations. Oh. Una go see fake. Una go dey talk say congratulations. Okay, now me fake pass. You know see, he said na me fake pass. Now me not dey talk my own. Now me not dey say he fake pass. This my apartment na my apartment. I know this apartment where they see so. I marry Oyibo. Oyibo tell me say instead of you to dey pay that big amount of money, just go buy house. Now the Oyibo say my money e no go reach. Oyibo come tell me say he go help me. You see, Oyibo come tell me say he go help me. Now I go marry Oyibo. You know say we now go marry Oyibo. The day now we can see discover this ring. He said na me fake pass. You are too bitter for what? Say person buy house. Me I get my own house. This apartment na my own house. You don't know. So you don't know. Why? I said it before, Heli. I said it before. People have congratulated me before. It's last year. Yes, una no congratulate me because I know they shout. I bring Nigeria, oh, come out. Una use and taste on my face. I bring Europe, oh, come out. Una use and taste on my face. Ask people that is following me, ask. Heli, ask. I showed my own. I showed it this last year. When they talk of house, I bring all my document out. Somebody tell me, say, how they buy her? I can't say, now Oyibo, when I marry, na him. You know? The Oyibo tell me, say, the house rent that you are paying here is too much. Then, now tell us, say, then how you going to do it? Say, yeah, do you want this house? I say, yeah, I want it. It's okay. I'm going to help you to pay. But you go help me pay half. You know? Then the small one, go they pay a small. Then, the Oyibo do one. I can't pay a small. Una no come tell me say congratulations. Okay, una no want congratulate me now. So you don't know. No, I'm not confused. I'm telling you the truth. People congratulate me last year. I'm telling you the truth. If I bring something on Facebook, una don't congratulate me. Una say, lovely, now lie you lie. Lovely, you are too bitter. Lovely, you know the shade. Lovely, enter house. Because me, on my own, not the rate for Facebook. Now, make sure they tell me congratulations. You people should thank you. Make sure they tell me congratulations now. You say make commenters not by you. Now they follow comment oh. Just they read. Okay, lovely. Wait, lovely. Wait it happen. You love me before. This one, I love one and they love me before. I don't understand though. You say you love me before. Why you come? Because of faith, you change to something. Oh, and okay. As I don't bring my house, come now. You don't hate me. Me, I go up, go bring the document. Should go up, show you the document? Now, see. Oh yeah. For what? For what, mama? Okay, you not tell me congratulations. I show my house. Una not tell me congratulations for this social media. I tell una say I buy this house. Una not tell me say congratulations. Because I don't show, and a few people they tell me congratulations. And they now wish no. And they now wish no say I buy the house. Now tell they now wish say now everything you they talk. Now everything they talk. You know the talk of my house? No, you for talk of my own house now. See, now fake. Now fake. Now una dey. Wait, may I show you. Now fake, eh? Now una dey congratulate. Wait, let me show you. When this year I changed all the door in my house. Wait. You see it? It's new. You see it? I changed all the doors in my house. It's new. You see, huh? You see, huh? Now new one. Nobody tell me congratulations. See, huh? New. You see, huh? You see, I'm new. Now my Oyibo, now he changed the door for me. See, huh? Now they show my small. All the old door was new. You see, huh? If I talk my own, when I not go talk say lovely or congratulations, I will show you. You know new things. You see, everything was new. You see, new, everything new. Eh? See, huh? You see it, everything is new. That's my door. You see the bedroom, oh? See, huh? Everything is new. Nobody fit tell me congratulations. No fool now fit tell me say, oh, mama, eh? Okay, wait. The last up. Okay. You know, nobody fit tell me congratulations. Eh? Una don't tell me congratulations. Eh? Una not gonna tell me congratulations. I carry Oyibo house come. Una don't tell me congratulations. I carry Nigeria all come. Una don't tell me congratulations. See, you see, you see the door is new. You see, you see, this is my new house. Commenters. You see? Now rent, now that they rent house. Now me buy house for this social media. None of them have congratulate me. And they come. Eh? They go rent house, they come, they shout. Eh? Wait, let me show you. One of them say I know they lie. Wait, let me show you. I buy house. None of them tell me say, oh, mama, congratulations. You see, you see, now new door. You see it? Eh? Una don't fit tell me say congratulations. This my house now. Eh? I don't dey renovate time again. Una go see her. Commenters. Eh? Una go see her. Wait to. He not break any record, na lie. Na rent, now she rent. She not buy. Lolo not buy house, na lie. Lolo not buy house. Now me buy house for this social media. Now Oyibo, now I buy the house for me. My Oyibo when I marry. You know that they say, lovely, go marry black. I say, no, I want to marry black. I want to marry black. My children don't grow finish. I want marry Oyibo, when go help me come up for suffer. Now I go now marry Oyibo. See my ring. My ring, this ring in my hand before. I go marry Oyibo. After the then I wish, see this ring. And then I wish come to say, make una ask lovely. The ring when they hand. Now let the then I wish see my wedding ring because if they follow me. Baba to Baba. May I read comment lovely? No. Okay, see now. See, you now see the way we want to take the judge for this social media. This year, when I bring my Naija house come, Lolo, he can't use mat to spoil my Naija house. Lolo use mat to spoil my Naija house. My own is real. When it comes to my own, now it's all put at the verse. Now lie, now my house. True, now my house be this house. This is my house. You see, when I marry Oyibo. I tell her, I say, no, Oyibo I deal with. Oyibo tell me, say, you stop paying house rent. This house, I will pay it for you. Then the remaining one, you go, they pay by yourself small. Now, so, now they run the house. When I don't tell me, say, congratulations. Instead of una to tell me say congratulations, una dey write, lovely, you are lying, lovely, you are bitter, lovely, change, lovely, why you change, lovely, you for love me before. No! To be honest, now only me be live video presenter wey buy house. Lolo no buy house. You can congratulate Lolo for here. Congratulate Lolo say she rent house. She rent, she not buy house. She not buy house. Your husband no fit carry house. Your husband no fit buy house because you don't old. Yes. You don't old. You no fit carry house. I'm not joking though. Or what? Jealous. Who I want jealous? People when I better pass. Is I full of jealous? Me when you get house for Nigeria. Get house for Nigeria, get house for abroad. Na lie, Lolo no buy house. Alaribe no fit buy house. Do you know how old Alaribe be? No. They don't fit give Alaribe low. They don't fit give am low. Now me tell you, I enter inside this year. When I go buy my house, I know how they take they buy house. Ma oyibo, he get company. Ma oyibo, he get this thing well. No put that day when she dey saga my this thing, you put congratulations for ye. You not put congratulations, they put congratulations now. Make that they come and put. Now lie. Alaribe no buy house. If he buy the house, tell him make he show am. They don't fit sell house for Alaribe. Alaribe don't old. They don't fit sell house for her. How old is Alaribe? When is he go to pay? Where Alaribe want to pay house? Why una mumu? So now saga una they use this thing they do. My own no be saga. Don't show una. I changed the door of my house. I changed them inside this year. Now change all the door way in my house. Because it's my house. Now my Oyibo, I still change the door. You see, and I still change the door. I marry Oyibo. Well, I call they laugh me. Lovely, come go marry. I say, no, I want to marry black. Because I don't get it, I want to get for black. What you say, my post? What you say, make I post? Pretty. Now lie, you don't buy. I know how it work. I know how it work. My Oyibo, he get money. I don't talk the story of my Oyibo, where I foresee my Oyibo. The day when I see my Oyibo, I see my Oyibo with small car when they walk. The day when my Oyibo come greet me, you see that motor when Monica they ride, the big one, the big one, now my Oyibo they ride. If you I don't just like to bring my Oyibo on Facebook. Pretty, you just you know say they talk truth. Pretty know say they talk truth now. Now I tell like pretty. No, you don't feel alone. Alaribe no fit buy house. No, Alaribe don't old now. You don't fit buy now rent. Now they rent. No, I know they lie. Oh, to be honest, oh, is it Godi waiting? I know they lie buy am. I change even when I dey change door. Early this year, I still talk. I change all my door. You see, I change all my door. It's my house. Whatever you see, say I do. Now my house, now it be. You know me very well. No, I'm telling you truth. You don't know me where you for know me. You know me for Netherlands. Thank you for the love. No, they don't congratulate me. My own was not now half, now it be cash. I get to Oyibo. And I make me, I don't date into black. I marry my Oyibo for here. You know? I marry my Oyibo for here. You don't see my ring. Now Oyibo now deal with. I don't deal with black. How my face go cry? You can't write. How my face, that's how my face be. And they look like person when he smoke igbo. How they smoke igbo? Now so my face be. You yourself don't say now so. Even one commenter say, why lovely face they always be like this? Now you tell us say, I be all digging no Benny. I know you for it. Where? Italy, lovely. You know me for Italy. That was Italy. Italy when you for know me. How many years ago when you know me for Italy? I don't they spend almost 13 years for wait. How many years are they spend for here now? Me, I not good like. Now Italy, you say you for know me, but you don't know me for Netherlands. Italy is years ago. But now, I dey Netherlands. You know, I dey Netherlands now. I no dey Italy again. How you wan carry me go back for Italy? I no dey Italy again. Lovely. Now, lie, they no buy house. Now, rent, they rent. No, now, they tell themselves truth. They rent. They no buy. You for tell me congratulations. Yeah, you tell me congratulations. I don't say, as una fit congratulate her because say, she rent a house. Who don't say, the day when the day now wish fair rent a house. Una fit congratulate her. The day when the day now wish bring fake key come out. Una congratulate the day now wish. And the day now wish bring fake house come out. Una congratulate her. Now I don't feel congratulate. They don't fool here, these people. See, I don't show you now my own now. How you come to now for body now? They put on, no, like they put on. How many times you want put on? Congratulate her, say, she rents a house. I don't buy house. I buy a house. This house where you dey see so. I buy am. Now my Oyibo na him buy this house. He pay for half because my Oyibo get money. You know, when I go where the agent of this house, you know, it don't take when I did this house. It don't take when I did this house. Then my Oyibo got to say, did you want this house? Do you like it? I say, yes, I like it. And I got to say, do you want this house? Your payment you are paying every month is too big. Now I say, I don't know. God say, you go help me. Now so it is I don't first tell my story. You listen, una not go listen to my story. Una not go listen to my story. Now, una they say lovely. Now lie you lie, lovely. Now lie. They not buy. Alaribe no fee carry money. Lie. Alaribe no fee carry money. I don't buy. No how far. No be me, buy am. Now Oyibo buy am for me. Oyibo buy am for me. And a half of money now Oyibo pay. Then the cause make account they pay the rest every month. You see, the cause make account they pay the rest every month. Alaribe no fit buy house. There is no way Alaribe can buy house. Alaribe no fit buy house. How? Old man. I don't see an old man buy house. Oh yeah. No, Alaribe no fit buy house. No, I buy this house. You people want me to go upstairs and bring it? Alaribe no fit buy house. It don't old. You people don't know how it work. For house, for this house. As my Igbo tell me say you want this house, I can't say I like this area. I've used to this area. I can't say if I don't like her, it will carry me go agent when they sell house. Agent when they sell house, that say agent that go still rent house for you. Not to say because somebody go agent. Now he make he can't buy house. Then they see the same agent when they sell house, the same agent they rent house. You know, I can't say I like this house. I like the environment of this place. You know, and he can't buy it for me. You know, see a lot. Lovely. Thank you, lovely. No, I not me. No, I dey talk truth. I don't be that kind of person when they lie. I don't buy the house cash. No. If I tell you, say I buy the house cash, I'm lying. I didn't buy this house cash. Oyibo pay half of this money. I don't understand. Oyibo pay half of the money. The small one, I they pay every month. Don't understand. I they pay small one every month. I don't buy a cash. I show at that time when I dey iron. I think it's last year. I show it when they talk about house. I bring the document of this house come, show them everything. Now the nice comment I call the talk say, why you not bring that come? I say no. Now you not buy it for me. You know, yes, that is it. Yeah, you people can congratulate her because she rented an apartment. She rented an apartment. Alaribe no fit buy house. Go and ask anybody. Fan Oyibo ask. He no fit. You no fit. You no fit buy house. Alaribe no fit buy house. Now rent. Now he rents. Now rent the rent. Now Alaribe. How old is Alaribe? How old? How old Alaribe dey? How old? Una they use una brain because una they do saga. We are the real one. We they buy cash. We will want buy cash. You go buy cash. If no one buy cash, you will buy. You they pay small. Me. I didn't buy my own cash. Now Oyibo, Oyibo stand with me. Then Oyibo can't give me half of that money. The remaining one, I they pay every month. You see, jealous of what? So the day when I carry my house come out for Nigeria, when they shout, house when I build almost 30 something million naira. When I call the Sagaran, make una say, hey, lovely, where you for see 30 something million naira to build house? Yes, that house pass. It passed 30 something million. Una tell me congratulations. No, una come they saga my house. So, Lolo now don't go rent house. Una come they say congratulations. You people should enter house. Why are you people like this? Yes, now so. She cannot buy a house. She's too old. She's too old. Okay, if even he say now 150,000, sell and not go sell house, give her Laribe. They can never say house, give her Laribe. Now truth that they talk. Okay, now they tell me congratulations. I showed my own that time. I showed my own last year. I said it. Even when they didn't wish no. They didn't wish no say I buy house. They didn't wish no say I buy house. When I even marry self, you see my wedding ring. When I marry self, they didn't wish no say I marry, but I don't come talking for Facebook. You don't see her. Nah. Wait. No, I'm not the verse because they don't believe me. They say I lie, now I lie. And what of verse? You don't concern me now. I showed them, I changed my door. When they entirely this year, January, I changed my door. Even when I did change my door self, I even tell them, I even show one. I show my door. I tell them, say, I dey pull new door for my house. I even use and do video. Where I pull my door, I show one. You know? Then, you say, what the verse? Una no one believe. He carry my house, enter this 1st of January, My house, when I use my money build, He carry the house, he put am for saga. He put am for saga. Una no even say, oh, lovely, try. Even he say, lovely, He not there anywhere. What una do? Una carry my house, una come the sagaran. House when I built for Nigeria. Do you know how much that house be? Because my Oyibo get money. That make me not there with black. Me, I look at what are you? Wife, this, same you. They say waiting. I don't show my door. I don't buy a house. You don't see her now. I don't show my door. I changed my door this year. You see her? When I changed my door, when my door was laying here, when they pack the door come, I put on, I see show and say, see, I they change the door of my house. You see, huh? Now every person write, oh, congratulations. No, I don't they write congratulations for me. The other one, may lovely cause they write congratulations for now. You know, buy house. That man no fit buy house. I bought this house where I am. I bought it. He can't buy a house. Age. Different. Stop him. Age will stop him not to buy house. Age go stop her not to buy house. Yes. Did you know why? Why age go stop her? Go. Man on 50, man on 60 years now. He go say he want go buy house. They no go sell for her. They no go sell for her. They no go sell for her because how many years can remain when you go pension? How many years can remain when you go pension? Una y'all dey put congratulations for you. Congratulations that she rented an apartment. She no buy. She rent. That house now rented house. I have bought this my house where I am. I bought this house. I know how it work. You don't get money for accounts. Or you don't get money for Aza. Now rent. Now she rent. She rent house. She rent house. And I don't give her. And I don't see nylon bag when they put the key for her. Now rented house. Now they put key for nylon bag like this. Rented house. We don't cash that one. Fake life. Fake life. Seriously? When we buy a house, now container, now they put key. Not be nylon bag. They can never put key for nylon bag, give you key of house. No. They don't feel bad. They don't feel put on for nylon bag. Did you see it? Even the key of house, my key of house, The one where they put, my oyibo tell me say make I change am. I change everything. And na the key now they use before. Oyibo say make I change am. I change key again. Now nylon bag, now they put red house. May I tell you, I don't buy house. My key was put, they put my key for, you see, as they tell they carry this one for, if you buy gold, you know, if you buy gold, they will give you boss. Now so they decorate my key, this house, the key there with me, they still can't carry the same key of this house. Give me the second time because the key not there with them again. You know, say when you rented a house, this thing key go there with them. Key go there with you. You see, if you rented a house, they will give you key. Let me tell you key now. I go from enter. Make I tell now say make una go back to school or go find somebody who don't buy house. This when I rented this house, the key of this house, is there where I for rent this house. When I want to buy this house, even the commune, that is the Hemete house, they know everything about this house. Then the key, when I get where I for buy, no say, now 2 key. One go there with them. One go there with you. When this house was rented house, one key there with them, key there with me. I don't understand. In case if you won't come out, even if you say you not bring key, they don't already get key, they can't change the key. What did they do? The remaining key wait there with them. What did they do? They carry the key of the house. They put on for boss. Now boss they put on, they can't tie something put. They use ribbon to tie something put. Key of house when they buy. They know they put on for nylon bag. Lie. They don't put it in nylon bag. Now rented house, now it be. The house now rented house. Wait. Now lie. Now this key, you know why I bring this with this? Buy a house without no husband. How? I say I get to Oyibo. See ya. You see my ring? You see my wedding ring? I marry Oyibo, but I don't show her. You know? My Oyibo see say I dey pay. Money when I dey pay for this house, it big. Now my Oyibo got to say, how do you think? Do you want this house? If you are owner of this house, did you like it? I say, yeah, it's not Oyibo now. He got to say, okay, you go help me out. Oyibo help me pay half. The remaining one, I dey pay a small. And Oyibo see they support me, they pay. I'm telling you the truth. The Oyibo see they support me, they pay. The day we go, sign the contract, they sign a command for renting property. They go sign a command for renting property. I bought it. The key where they give me. No, say I dey lie now. Because I don't reach my time and they lie. The key where they give me, they put on for boss. They put on for boss. They don't put on for nylon bag. If you buy a house, your key, they want to put on for nylon bag. Lie. Go and ask. Oh, see, all of them, they say, wait till she do me. Now, don't see now live. Now, I make, if una they go up, una go they contact because now they speak truth. Okay, you don't understand now because now me they told you truth, now you don't understand. Now fake life, now they understand. This key when you see so, go crisshow the key. Well, now they say congratulations, because I have bought a house once. I know how they do it. They put your key, inside container, give you. Now they put key for nylon bag. Now rented house, now they put key for nylon bag. Now me talk and go ask anybody when don't buy house. You go say Lovely is right. They put on for this, they don't come tie. You see the way when they say wait, may I tell now how they say bring my own con. Whether I will see again. Hey, I don't catch them. They go there, I don't catch them. I don't catch them. I don't bag with the key. Ah, seriously? I'll read buy house. Now, wow, now they lie, sha. Wait, I'm gonna show you people how they do one. I'll show you people. Let me look for ribbon. I'm going to show you people so that when I will know, say, yes, lovely, buy house. She don't lie. Wait, let me look for ribbon. Let me look for ribbon. Oh, where I want to see ribbon. I don't get ribbon. Wait, make I find something to take down. So that people, when they buy house, go say, lovely, no lie. Alaribe no buy, Alaribe no fit buy house. Because Alaribe don't old. You don't fit buy house. Why if they talk now? If you say, now they talk pass. Wait, let me check ribbon. Let me use this one as an example. And I think say, now get sense. Now go rent house, now come they tell us, so now buy house. I pray. I pray, make una buy house, so I pray. Who wants to say house for Alaribe? Did you know how old? Even people when buy house, you get where they go rich, when they don't feel pay again, you know what that they do? They will carry the house, they will return it back. They'll go carry small one. See, me I show now. They don't like comment, they don't say that try the talk. See, did you see it? If you still buy key, now new thing, anything will be new. Now like this, they'll give you the key of the house. If you buy new car, if you buy new car, now like this, they'll give you, they'll use ribbon. You must get this thing. This thing, when I tell you, so now like this, now they will give you. Did you see it? Did you see it? When I'll call your girl, they say, we buy house. Congratulations, we buy house. Now rent. Now he rent that house. Alaribe no fit buy house. Alaribe is almost 60-something years old. How can a 60-something years old man go buy house of 300,000 or of 200,000 when he go enter pension? He want enter pension. And you see some pensioner, You see some pensioner. Some pensioner, Now their money, if they don't pension, now their money they pay for house. Go check when they buy the house. Go and check when they buy the house. So buy house age of 35, age of 30, age of 40. Alaribe no fit buy house. Alaribe cannot buy house. Now like this, for una to know say yes, even the key of this house, when they with them, the key, they give me the key with this, with something like this. Yes, they give me the key with something like this. Now, so they be. Who is there? Kathy. You see, But I think, Kathy, how are you? You don't see her now. I don't tell now how it they work. If you buy house, If you buy house, now like this, they will use ribbon to do and the key must they inside container. They know they put them for nylon bag. They know they put them for nylon bag. If you buy new car, now so it still be. If you now lie, none of you now when they say UK law, now not the UK. Now match now just day. The other say I dey UK, I dey UK now lie. Some of them dey inside camp. You people, you are inside camp. Wait, her room, small kitchen, small. Which room small, kitchen small? I don't catch them. Una can't lie. Jesus Christ. You people, you are just a liar. You see, now like this. If you buy a house, now like this. Now they go put key. They go use ribbon, take one. They'll say, this is the key of the house. Now you go open her. To know that I bought a house, this is when I did so. They give me the key when it did, the time when I take return, the key when it did with them. They collect, they give me the key because why? The property is now mine. The property is now mine. They come and say, this is the spec key of this house. You have key, this is the spec key. e dey inside here. As they bring this thing come, me think say na regalo na they want give me. I thought that is regalo they want to give me. As I come open, I see key. Now me tell them say I have key. Say yes, it's your key of this house because you have bought the house. You see, huh? If you buy car, if you buy car, now like this, now they take they give car key. Now this say una get sense. If una they do something, please. Yes, me myself, I be landlord now. A rentage house, you cannot be a landlord in a rentage house. If you choose to be a landlord in a rentage house, that one for you. You see, huh? I don't catch you now like people. This is how it be, see, huh? As a company that committee say na gift, now they bring come for me. Now my boy, I come and say, wow, they give me gift after I bought the house. He said, no, it's no gift. He said, now the key. Now say, I wish key I have, but he said, yes, the remaining key. Yeah, they are giving you all the key of your house. You know, say when you go rent house, where you for go rent house, your name see the agent will give you house. Everything about the house, the file of the house, it did the agent where you for rent house. If you buy out, they go bring you everything, give you. Now like this, you know say if na the zuzu for Facebook or they look una, now not see una break. For una to know say I'm very educated. The same time when you guys are doing something, I'll let una fool una self. I will say I can't talk of this one. Una for tell her say make she go prepare this boss, make she put the key. Una say go and prepare the boss and put key. Love it don't already talk. This house when I did so now my house. Yes, there is a house. Ask if you rent a house. If you want buy, if the seller want sell am for you, they go sell am. You see, now like this, more not the mumu again. If you buy house, now like this, now they take they give. Now like this, they take they give key. You see the way they take give key. Now like this, they take they give key. If you buy car, now like this, now they'll take give you key. Ask anybody. If you buy new car, now like this, they'll take give you key. If you buy a house, now like this, they'll take give you key. They won't put it in a gift something. You know, I don't see, I don't catch you now. Now, wow. Yes, they keep key inside their box when the something is yours. When the something is yours, this one when she put for inside nylon bag is a rented house. This key when they put for inside nylon bag, na rented house. She rented that house. Alaribe cannot buy a house. There is no bank when it go borrow Alaribe money. If I will say if Alaribe don't they work for many years, if Alaribe even get like 60,000, black people not they keep money now. Black people doesn't keep money. You don't have money. Only money when you get for your account 1,000 euro. Now 1,000 euro. Now they want to say house for you. Let me motivate you people. Let me motivate you people. Alaribe cannot buy house. You see Alaribe age. Nobody buy. Nobody. So made day. They buy their house when they day around that kind 40 years, 30-something years. You get where they go rich. They don't feel pay again. The hotel bank say they don't go feel pay. They don't feel pay again. Thank you for the love and light. One how they let these people they deceive you now. They are lying. She rented that house. When I did IT that time, when I did rent house. Now nylon bag, now that they put renty key. Buying house, now back, now here they put some. Now here they put some. Now don't wise. Now can't lie. You people can't lie. That someone can buy house because his age is gone. Thank you. God bless you. Winner. Now God win. Thank you. And now God win. You see this house when I did so. You know one certain time, then I wish cry come out. She was talking about this house. Somebody called me. This cat, leave me alone. This cat, they disturb me. Oh. He won't go out. house. Alaribe cannot buy house. It's not that possible. Go and ask. Anything you do in Europe country, now age, neither they look. I will say Alaribe don't they work now. Say Alaribe if you get like 60,000 euro, you go let person they hear. Now young age, neither they no, and they will not the money when you get for your account. You cannot buy house, not be by man, not saga, no saga. We are telling people the truth. But I don't let say, call it. Your video is freaking. Yeah, now something show. Now something give me something. She prove say he no fit or borrow money. Show the age. Yeah, she cannot. She cannot. To be honest, she cannot. Now lie. Me, I don't experience some where buying house. This I don't want the. I think last year when they was talking about house, I did a video that they are the iron. I tell them say this house when I did, when I know say I buy ya. People call they talk say you don't start lie. Now bring the document come out. I say see the document. I show people. Now people come say you buy house, say you don't even talk. Now I say now my Oyibo, now you buy this house. You see, now my Oyibo buy this house. My name day, he just help me. The Oyibo just help me say money when I they pay. Say the money is too big. And they pay so money like this. Why I know just buy? Not that one say me I don't have money. He said me I no worry. If you bring Oyibo when he go stand for you buy house, they go buy for you. Because even he said my money not complete to pay, Oyibo go pay. When my own, the key when he did this house, the key when he did this house, the time when I rent and the key when he did this house, now 2 key, 1 day with them. You see, it's just like when you carry a house now, your key lost, you go call your agent, say, your key don't lost, too. They'll tell you, say, okay, maybe you can't take key. You go there, they go give you, they go still give you the same key of the house. When you don't buy the house, the key of the house, they go come give you all. When I do this, my house, waiting happen, then they bring something like this for me, container like this for me. Me, I got to say, they give me gift. Maybe because I buy, maybe they give me gift. Now all the time you both say, wow, I say, they give me gift. Now you both say, no. Now key of my house, 9 day here. Now I got to say, but key of my house, they with me. And I say, the one when he did with them before. Say no be all the key of this house, no be they give me. Say they get extra for their office. You know, he say now the remaining key, since I don't buy the house, say now the key now be this one. Now carton, now they say give me key. They don't use nylon bag, give you key. Like if you buy new motor, ask. If you buy new motor, if you buy new motor, now carton, now so they'll take gift you. Now so they'll use ribbon, take tire. Now, oh, my nylon bag. Now they put key. That is rented house. Rented house. If you look that nylon bag now, check and where. You go see say they write something put. Now rent house. Make if you say now lie. Make it display the document of the house. You know, so you not gonna believe. Yeah, you not they believe because when I always they follow people when not they educate una. Una if say now not they talk. You know say they say person when not they talk. Now he get waiting you want talk. You see now like this. If I take on with the key like this, now they go take give her the key like this. Now they will take give her. That one when you carry console for nylon bag, now rented house. Ask anybody. Just ask. This is the way they go take give you key. The key of your property, they must decorate and give you like this. I don't experience some. Now so they take give me the remaining key when they with them for house. Now so they take give me. This is how they give me the key. If you buy new car, they're not gonna put the key for nylon bag for you. If they do car, everything about the car follow the car. The decoration of the car follow the car. They go put a no be nylon bag. No be nylon bag. They don't decide. You see now, una see una life. If una don't they do mumu, I don't they look una. I don't spend years for Europe. I know how it they roll. My own. Now so I go there, they say, wow, these people don't give me gift. My wife says it's not gift. It's the remaining key of the house they put inside here. I true open now the key na it here. Now the key na it here. I said, I tell my brother, I thought it's gift. He said, no, it's the remaining key of your house. They put it here. That is how they do it. She said, they don't fit give you for nylon bag. Like. Now, this house is a rented house. Now, rented house, now they put the key for nylon bag. Go and ask. Ask anybody. Just ask anybody. You hear? I know if you carry it. Okay, now so if you carry mortgage, Alaribe bank no fit borrow as Alaribe dey, so bank no fit borrow Alaribe 60,000 euro. They will ask and say wetin you wan use and do. Alaribe cannot carry this thing of 60,000 euro. He no fit carry. I'm telling you the truth. Welcome, Daddy. I'm telling you the truth. You know, see person they tattle now sometimes. Now see say person they play. I don't they play. Oh. And I believe now rent, now go rent house. Make una not mind now. She rent. I don't think she okay. No, not lie, not lie. They only put key, go house. If you buy new car, now so. If you buy second-handed car, they know they gift you like this. Second-handed car, they know they gift you like this. Like this, they cannot give you, they give you the key like that because it's second-handed. You see, huh? But when you buy a new car, this go and ask anybody. You can go to Google. When you buy new something, they package and come like this. They put the key for inside here. They put the key. They go put the key for inside here, give you. Una come they talk life of social media. Now lie, you lie. You don't reach now. They not they put the key for inside this thing. But I don't see you now. I don't feel defend this thing. You people cannot defend it. You see this house? And then I will always talk of this house. I don't want to talk. I don't want to ever talk about this house. Then I will say, why this woman carry this house like this? Then I will always they talk. She go show here, she go show here, she go show here, she go show here. Then I will say, why lovely? They always carry house like this. She don't, you know, she know they talk again. When she call somebody, the person come they tell me say, mama, say, this your house, now your own. I said, why? He said because the day I wish they always they talk. The day I wish they always they talk. I said, the day I wish now person will be say they follow you bumper to bumper. Love you. Which country you they talk about? Which country are they talking about? Eh? Yeah, thank you. Now me say make it, no, I don't say make it change house. I say make it change property. Since that house, she don't fit buy new property put. She don't already talk for her video say she go rent house. Lolo don't already go for hunting of house. Lolo no say they no go fit buy house. You know? What, do you people know what is mortgage? Do you know what is go and take mortgage? If you want to take 6,000 euro, before bank will give you 60,000 euro, your bank statement, you go bring and come out. Did you know when time of my old reach, my bank statement, they bring and come out. They bring my bank statement come out. They say, as far as this, my Oyibo say, yes, it go help me. Waiting go happen. They want to see my bank statement. In case Oyibo pay half of the money, in case if something happen, I will feel continue they pay like that they go. You see, I bring my bank statement. If your bank statement, money when it enter your account, it reach 3,000 euro. If they read that say how you take spend down, they go feel squeeze come out. Like me now, if I do everything finish, I don't pay bill finish, eh? If I pay bill finish, do everything finish, I still they get 1,000 plus. That time, and they get 1,000 plus. If I pay bill finish that time, do everything, and they get 1,000 plus. Inside that 1,000 plus, they don't say I don't pay bill finish, I don't get debit for neck. You see, I don't get debt for neck. What did they do? They got to say yes. Say if my oyibo bring half, say the remaining one I will feel they pay because why? I still get extra money. Now so they do one. The oyibo go bring almost half of that money. Still bring. May I just say 1.5 of that money. Now the oyibo put for grant for me. I know they lie. If you buy a house now like this, now they'll give you key. Now they put key for nylon bag. Now rented house, now they put key for nylon bag. I swear, I know what I'm saying. Ask people when they buy a house, how they say they give the key. Now they put key for nylon bag now. This is the nylon bag where the key there. Anybody when they rent the house, if they're tired, they'll bring a con. They carry the key for the nylon bag, keep them for there. Make una not come they do shishi for us. I know everything. Now we don't come Europe yesterday. Now I want they tell me how they go. I know everything when it comes to house issue, when it comes to property. I know everything. Make una wait. Now waiting go happen. I will chocolize una. Make una not to talk. The day when I will chocolize una, una will not say lovely, no they lie. Make I shut up. Make I just shut up. Make I not talk. Now, so I saw today they arrange my house small. The time that they say, you not get black man, you supposed to carry black man now. You don't get black man. I don't already get oyibo for my life. When be say, they help me. I'm telling you the facts. Any property you buy, and like this, now they'll give you. Like this, now they'll give you. Like this. They know they put key for nylon bag. That is why I shot this nylon bag. If I use my mouth, they explain now. People will say, lovely, you are too jealous. Lovely, you are too jealous. Who am I jealous? See me when you don't buy house. Before you go rent house. Who get house with who rent house? And they did say, this is my carbon. You don't tell when they did now winch. You don't say they did now winch. Now person will be say, she they always know something because why? Now winch, now be. She can still discover, say, I buy this house. She'll say, she can show the house. Why should they show the house? She go to they show the house up and down. The day now which no say this house now my house. You not buy us. You not buy. You people should go and look at the first video against South you know is a. Thank you. The property is a rented property. Even that area when she says she buy house, Oyibo can never sell house for you for there. You see house is when they inside town, Oyibo not they sell land. House is when they inside town, for year now, house when they inside town for year. Almost the rent every month is 2,000 euro. House when they central, Oyibo not they sell house when they central. They can never sell because they make a lot of money there. Like house when it there is Amsterdam now. If it be 2,000 euro for year now, if it be 1,000 plus, or you cannot sell house when they get for inside central. It's not that possible. It's not that possible. That's what they say. My Oyibo still let me know. My Oyibo let me know say, did you see Amsterdam? Say yeah. Say the people that have houses in Amsterdam, they don't sell it. And if you try to reach city, for Amsterdam, you can never see say the right say this house, not to sell. You know they. The place where she said she for rent house and she for buy house. Now lie, they don't fit sell house for them for there. I know everything when it comes to building. I know everything because I've once do that. Only say I don't come Facebook when they use and they shout because I know they who I want to say. Even if say I talk, people not go believe. The day I went to go and take the remaining key of this house, now like this, they take give me the key. They don't they put on for nylon bag. You know? Let's see how it. You say it, you know, no, grace, not truth, you know. If you never, you know what, do not argue with me. Do not argue with me. Do you know why I said you do not argue with me? You never buy house. Don't argue. You never buy house. If you buy house, now like this. Now they bring up. Go away first. But na no verse na call it. Who they put this thing? Na mine. No. Wait. Okay, say what it can be key again. Another one because you don't know. You don't know. Now that one might be the key. No, we don't. No, that is it. Since she they congratulate her, yeah, she can get congratulation because she rented the house. When you rented the house, now not say if person rent house, that they give her congratulation. People when you buy house, they all they make noise, not be by mouth. Now people when you rent house, now then they come they make mouth for social media. When you buy a house, now like this, now it be. When you buy a house, now like this, it be. See, now like this, they give you key. They don't they put key for nylon bag. You both should know that. They don't keep key in nylon bag. That one a lie. She don't buy house. One, Alaribe no fi buy house. You know why? He age. You know fi carry house because of her age. Ask anybody. Even for you both want to do something, now you tell you both say, why you not doing? You will say, yes, because of my age, I can't do it. Age matter a lot here in Europe. Alaribe cannot buy a house of 300 and something thousand. How? Even 200 and something thousand, you know go fit buy. You are right. Thank you. You know fit buy. Now age. Now age. You just be like, say, now, you go factory. As you go factory now, you don't already be 50-something years. You don't already be 55 years. Now 10 years, now you go take work for there. Or you don't already be 60 years. Have you ever seen where 60 years old person they find work? 60 years. Remain 5 years. 5 years, remain 5 years. When you go take enter pension. How can a pension man buy house? Have you ever seen where pension man don't buy? A pension man not they buy house. Government, they give pension man house. If you see many pensioner, Komu, they give the house. Komu, you tell her, you say, no, I didn't buy. You go say, now Komu give him because he know buy when he then young. Now when he old, now he want buy. Any house you see, wait first. Now something they do. I will come back again. I can't explain to you now. You people don't be stupid. Oh, I am stupid. Why people they fool now? Why I'll just sit down and all they fool now say. You are correct. Not. That is how it work. Now so they work. Yes, now so they work. Did you see? I always said the woman now they go work. A Lolo not they go work. Lolo don't they go work. They will even tell say, make they check, and they not go still take her. Alaribe no fit carry house. It's like you be 50, you be 60 years old man, want go find work. For you to just work for 5 years before you pension, or 60 years old man. Now 5 years remain for a to pension. How bank will take give her low?